have Wenn und als. Coming to Wenn first. So we use Wenn in past as well as present. We also use it in future also, okay? As in future sentences.
When means when.
When means when or if. And the next meaning is whenever. When or if, when you have a condition, conditional sentence. Whenever is repeated events. Now, this repeated events is the basic difference between when and als. We use when we are talking about, let's say, past, when we are talking about events that happens regularly or more than once. For example, whenever I write, I listen to music. So it is a repeated events, as in a regular basis. Whenever I am writing, I read, I listen to music. So sentence structure will be same as in the verb goes at the end. When is also SOC connector, okay? So it also form Nebensatz. So like when ich, let's say, text schreibe, comma, oh sorry.
Schreiber text, right?
Ich höre Musik, comma, wenn ich text schreibe. If you want to use wenn in the starting, wenn ich text schreibe, comma, höre ich Musik. As in verb comma verb rule.
Ma'am, I remember.
The basic.
I think in Station Type 3 I used when. Means the dialogue was like we were es when wir uns 18 Uhr treffen. Is this grammatically correct?
We were es when
we are 18 Uhr treffen.
Yes, it is correct.
Yeah, right. So we can use that in this expression too.
Exactly. You can use it in your Schreiben, you can use it in your expression. Coming to this conditional sentence, when. So let's say, wenn ich Zeit habe, comma, schlafe ich viel. Again, verb comma verb. When I have time. Now this is my condition, right? When I have time, I will sleep much. Okay. Coming to this als. Als is used when we are talking something. Okay, so when it is used when we talk something about past that only happens once. Any event that happens only once and that too in past, we write it in als.
Mhm.
Happens
Only
once. For
once.
example, yes. For example, als ish. The sentence structure remains the same. It is also your SOC connector, Nebenzat. So let's say als ich Kind war, Spieler, okay, habe ich viel gespielt. When I was child, I have played a lot.
Mhm.
Okay. Any doubt with als and when?
Ma'am, it cannot be like als ich Kind war, ich habe
Hmm.
viele gespielt.
No. Habe ich. Verb, comma, verb.
Yeah, verb, comma, verb, right.
Yes.
And
You have used when, right?
yeah, right.
Als ich Kind war. Okay. I have used wrong. It will be when only. Let me form one. Because it is a repeated event.
Mhm.
It will be when. Let's say any age. So, als ich 18 war, habe ich Deutsch gelernt. When I was 18, I have learned German.
Mhm.
Okay, this is your one time event, and that too in your past. So I have used als.
So, ma'am, for als, do we have to only use it in the starting, not a later, right? After the comma?
After the comma, what you are asking?
Means just like while and thus, can we use
Hmm.
als like that in the Nebensatzs?
Okay, you are asking as in using als in between of the sentence, right?
Yeah, right.
Yes, you can. Ich habe Deutsch
Okay, ma'am.
gelernt, als ich 18 war.
Mhm.
Just remember that verb goes at the end.
Right.
Okay.
Als
Now
means
the base.
meaning of.
Als means as
Okay.
or when.
Okay, ma'am.
Coming to
One question not related to this, but I have to ask. Uh, means generally in the Sprechentile lines, we ask the question that we gross bist du. Means if I'm 5'11", then how I can say that in can I say that in German?
the question is,
Wie groß bist du means how tall you are.
hmm,
So if I have to say I'm 5'11", how can I say that in German? Ich
5
bin
foot 11.
ich bin
I guess
5'11" Fuß groß.
mm, that I am not sure.
Means I don't know what to say for foot. Means 5'11". So how can I say that?
There are different, as in for inch we have the other word in German.
So can we
It
directly
is
say that 12 gross? Yes.
yes, 5 11 groß. And in writing you can use 5 comma 11.
No, for the pronunciation.
5 11 no, 5 groß 11 will it be right? Because if I talk about like money, if I
Hmm.
want to say, let's say no, 9 euro 7 cent. So it will be it will be like 9 euro 7, right?
Right.
So in the same case, we can apply it in your age. Sorry,
Fünf
not age, height.
height
5 groß 11. But
or
the first
5
question
plus
is,
and
who asked the height in your expression?
I think there must be a card called Alton like that.
Alten is age.
No, not Alton, sorry. Ausen.
No, 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 no. In your this the tile one, the questions is the basic one. In your introduction and all, where do you come from? How many room do you have in your apartment? Like this, normal.
Mhm.
Okay, how many sisters do you have? What are your hobbies? Do we ask as in height in our introduction to anyone?
I think for percentile lines, they'll give us the four cards, right? And with those four cards, we
Yes.
have to make the questions.
Yes, and the topics are already written, and the
Yeah, right.
top as in the theme is the simple one. For example, name and all, siblings, hobbies, favorite
Mhm.
place, favorite
So,
food, like this.
so what if they give us the topic of Ausen? Means if they give us, then we can ask this question, right or not?
Yes, you can ask, but if I as in for the this one 5 foot 11, 5 feet 11, it will be like this only. Fünf gross elf.
Okay.
Or I can confirm you as in if as in regarding this height, inch
Yeah,
and
sure.
centimeter, foot and feet and all.
Mm-hmm. Film
Any doubt
whose
with
self, film whose self or film pro self?
foot is foot.
Yeah, right.
It will be feet. Feet is something different, I guess,
Mm-hmm.
as in
That
measurement one.
okay. Then please confirm it and tell me tomorrow about this.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Any doubt with Wayne and Als?
No.
No.
Now you tell me any topic that you want to be repeated from your A2.
Mm,
The main grammar topic we have done that you can use it in your Schreiben or expression. Adjective ending doesn't make any sense. Comparison doesn't make any sense. Aber und oder, you already know.
uh,